Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to manifest your dream adventure. So, whether you're looking to travel to a specific destination or just want to experience the thrill of adventure, we'll give you tips on how to make it happen. Before diving into the specific tips for manifesting your dream adventure, let's first talk about what manifestation is and how it works. It's based on the idea that our thoughts and feelings can shape our reality. There are many ways to manifest, such as visualization, affirmations, and gratitude. The key is to find the best method for you and then consistently apply it in daily life. Now let's move on to the tips for manifesting your dream adventure. First, imagine yourself waking up in the places you'd like to travel to. This is a powerful manifestation technique that helps to bring your desires to life. Then, every day, take a few minutes to close your eyes and visualize yourself in your dream destination. Next, see yourself exploring new places, trying new foods, and experiencing different cultures. The more detailed and vivid your visualization is, the more likely it is to manifest in reality. Next, see yourself traveling with the people you'd like to travel with, whether it's a significant other, a group of friends, or even solo. Imagine yourself having the time of your life with the people you care about most. Again, this will align your energy with your desired outcome and increase the chances of it manifesting. Visualization is a powerful manifestation technique that creates a mental image of your desired outcome. Studies have shown that visualization can be an effective tool for achieving goals, whether they are related to sports, business, or personal development. Visualization is so powerful because it activates the same neural pathways in the brain as if you were physically experiencing the event. This allows you to experience the emotions and sensations associated with achieving your goal, which helps to increase your motivation and commitment to making it a reality. Additionally, visualization can help to overcome limiting beliefs and negative thoughts that may be holding you back from achieving your goals. Taking action is essential in the manifestation process, as it helps to align your energy and actions with your desired outcome. However, it's crucial to approach taking action from a place of faith and trust that your dream adventure is already on its way. Instead of focusing on making it happen, focus on allowing it to happen. This means taking action without attachment to the outcome and without feeling like you have to force things to happen. Trusting that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your dream adventure to you is important. When you take action from a place of faith and trust, you're sending a message to the universe that you're open and ready to receive your dream adventure. This will help align your energy and actions with your desired outcome and increase the chances of manifesting it. It's also important to remember that taking action doesn't mean you have to do everything yourself. Instead, allow the universe to do the heavy lifting and be open to unexpected opportunities and synchronicities that may arise. Another important tip is to save money as if you had planned a trip already and were getting ready to leave. This means setting a budget, sticking to it, and putting money aside, specifically for your dream adventure. By doing this, you're preparing yourself financially and sending a message to the universe that you're ready and committed to making your dream a reality. This means keeping an open mind and looking for opportunities that may arise. It could be a great deal on a flight or a special offer on a vacation package. The key is to be open and receptive to these opportunities. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to making your dream adventure a reality. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.